What's up, Kill Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I do have a case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Kind people over at this is from Youngkit. It's in China. They make cases for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, 14, 13, so on and so on. They reached out to me, asked me what case would I like to pick, and this is what we have. So we're just going to unbox it, and I'm going to take you over to their website so you can see what other kind of cases they have to offer. And they do have a lot of nice, look how that looks. I like this hard shell that it comes with. And this is the case I went with. Nothing else in there, but this is the case I went with. It got a frost little feel to it, and I like that. It got a frost little feel to it, so I shouldn't have to worry about this getting too nasty. It might get a little nasty, but not too nasty. The buttons are gray, as you can see. The cutout says Youngkit MagSafe capable. This is what it looks like. So now I'm going to go over to their website so you can see some of the cases and see how much it costs you, and then we'll come back and try it out on the phone. Let me type it in. If I'm saying the name right. This is your website right here. So pretty much they do have all different kind of style funky cases here, and I really do like that. Something different. I like getting a new case because it feels like makes my phone feel newer, different. But here are the devices that they do currently make phones for, make cases for: iPhone, Samsung, and Xiaomi, however you want to say it. So you do get your iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it goes down to the 13 Pro. Well, it goes all the way down to the 7, iPhone 7. That is who they make cases for. So let's go to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. These are some of their new cases. As you can see there, a lot of different kind of variety, different funky looking cases. Glossy. Mine is the matte, but they do cost $48, and that's it. $48 plus tax. And it's the transparent, which this is transparent, except for this says theirs, it says glossy, but mine has a matte back feel to it, but it's still the exact same case, exact same design. This is just matte, but I have went on the website and they do cost the same. You can get them in all these different colors here, and that is cool right there. So now we're just gonna pick up the case, throw it in like so. I like the way that looks and feels already. Man, that's nice. They make a nice case. So pretty much you do get your power button. Nice and clicky. Like I said, it's gray. At the bottom here, you get your cutouts. Down here, you do get access to your power, your alert slider, which is nice and clicky. Volume up and down button. No problem. The back here, you get access to MagSafe. Nice cutout for your camera, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go, no problem. You do get a nice, hold on, you do get a nice lip, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. I just recommend you get you a screen protector so you could be even better protected with your purchase if you're someone worried about your screen getting messed up. uh, I like how the camera cutout is high. That is really nice. And like it says, it does do wireless charging. So pretty much you can do wireless charging, or you can do MagSafe charging because it has MagSafe capable charger. Just hold on, let's see here. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't, but it does. take MagSafe, and it's charging right now. It's just not showing it, but it is charging. So overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. Like I said, if you want to go pick this case up, I will drop a link in the description. Said they have a whole bunch of different kind of cases if you somebody that want funky little different cases, and they do not cost that much money. So I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.